I'm standing in front of the AirFLEX NXT with platform manager Barry Lindmark to go over our unique air flotation system.
Thank you. We use air for flotation on our headers. We use it for our paddles to our cutter bar for on the ground flotation. We also use it for our gauge wheels to keep that simple, which is also tied into our subframe suspension over there. So we'll focus in right now on our cutter bar airbags. So as we apply air pressure to these airbags, it makes our cutter bar float. So these airbags back here are designed in a transverse way so that they give a balanced weight of the cutter bar on the ground at all conditions throughout the whole flex. So each paddle has an airbag and we pump them up to the specific pressure, and that's where our flotation comes from. So again, it's very simple as we get into different conditions that you can change that air pressure from the combine cab right from our small monitor with a switch. So you can adjust that on the fly to create a very light cutter bar to the ground. Another feature that we have is on our gauge wheels. Every one of our all crop edition NXTs comes with gauge wheels and subframe suspension. So this is just another option that we have that just helps to float the header through the ground. So on this gauge wheel, we simply have two airbags. There's no adjustment to them. We set the air pressure from the cab and they will help stabilize the header in flex mode. And then if you want to go to rigid mode where you want that higher cut height, we pump the air pressure up to 100 PSI or higher, depending on your header. And again, there's no adjustment. These airbags work in conjunction with our subframe suspension, and you set your height and lock it into your combine and forget about it. Another feature over this way is our subframe suspension. So compared to some of our competitors out there, we do not have a rigid mounted header on our all crop edition. Our subframe, which is here connected to the combine, is suspending the header. So this gives you more flotation through those rough conditions to be able to cut at a higher rate of speed and be able to keep at a consistent cut height.